So I had a question from hopefully a subscriber, certainly someone who viewed one of my videos, about Jag headlights being too low. So I've purposely done this. You can see this side is much lower than that side. There is a fix for it, and I just wanted to demonstrate what the fix is. So it is very, very simple. The problem is that the headlight lens, this bottom half here, obviously tilts, and there are adjusters for it, which are one at the back there and one there. I think that's actually got the plastic bit missing. Should look like that. And then the idea is you put an Allen key in the screw there and twist it and adjust the headlight up and down. What's very common is that they break, which is what's happened here. And the easy fix is you drill a little tiny hole. There you go, there's mine, just on the end of my finger there, and put a screw in there. So here I have said screw. So the screw acts on the housing which is part of the headlight. So if I unscrew that, you should be able to see the housing come towards the front of the car. And if I go back in, it goes back up. And if we look at the wall, if I move it out, headlight should come down, and screw it in. Headlight comes back up. And it really is as simple as that. My suggestion is not to use a really long screw like I have done here. I haven't got around to changing this one yet. The one I've done on the other side is still quite long as well actually, but I did actually cut that one down. I had the same problem with both lights. So that is the temporary permanent fix on Jaguar headlights. With I think this is only with the xenon headlights they have a problem. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I had two other S types before. I've never had a problem with the normal halogen headlights. But yeah, hopefully that helps you out. Thanks a lot for watching.